Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about McLaurin. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. The question they mentioned about p number 3 of this function. So we need to find first the derivative of the function. Second, the derivative of the function. And the last one, that's about the third derivative of the function. So for the first derivative of the function, you will get about e to the power of s cosine s minus e to the power of s sine s. Next, we go into second derivative of the function. So you got about e to the power of s cosine s minus e to the power of s sine s minus e to the power of s sine s, and we got about minus e to the power of s cosine s. This one you got about 2 negative number 2 e to the power negative 2 e to the power of s sine s, and this one then we cancel this one. Next, we go into third derivative of the function. So you got about negative 2e to the power of s sine s, and we got about negative 2e to the power of s cosine s. And now we put s equal to 0 in this one. This one you got about 0. This one you got about number 1. This one you got about 0. This one we put e to the power of s, or s equal to 0. This one you got about negative number 2. And now we can apply McLaurin series. So we just find about p number 3 only. So we got about f of s equal to f of number 0 multiply with s over 1 factorial. Later that we go to second derivative of the function f of number 0 multiply with s to the power of 2 over 2 factorial, and we have the next one. So we put a number in here. This one you got about number 1. This one you got about number 1. So you got about s. This one you got about 0, so we don't have anything. This one you got about negative number 2. So you got about 6. 2 divided by 6, you got about negative 1 over 3. So we just have only 2 terms, so we need to go to for the derivative of the function. So you got about negative 2e to the power of s sine s, negative 2e to the power of s cosine s. The next one, negative 2e to the power of s cosine s. So you got about positive 2e to the power of s sine s. So this one cancel this one. This one you got about negative number 4 e to the power of s cosine s. So we put number 0 in here. So you got about negative number 4. And now we have this one. S to the power of 4 over 4 factorial. So we put negative number 4 in here. And this one we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4 divided with number 4. And now you got about 6. So we just find polynomial b number 3, and this is about McLaurin series. That's the end. Thank you for watching.